This is a smart visual block. Double tap it to turn it on. You'll find that each orientation has its own unique color associated to it. When you have one of these cubes, you can play around and flip it up and down and around, and it will always change color. But if you have more than one of these cubes, you'll see that by combining two of them, you will change both of their colors. They will react depending on which side of the cube a neighbor is detected on. As you just saw, this cube changed color. They will also actively change their colors if they determine that their colors are too similar to each other, which is why sometimes when you join the cubes, you will see them changing colors multiple times before they settle on a specific color. You can stack them and you can put them next to each other. And if you have a third cube, you can join that one to the party as well. With 3 cubes, you can see you have more possible arrangements. You can put it on top, you can put it on the side, you can put it wherever you like. And once again, if you change the orientation of one cube, it will affect the color of the other cubes. Now, because the cubes are using wireless communication via infrared, there is a limited range to their capability to communicate. If you move one of the cubes sideways so that the faces are no longer aligned, you will find that the cubes will stop communicating properly. As you can see, this cube has turned red again, the base color for this orientation. If we begin to adjust them again, you'll see that he will become responsive. And thus you can experiment with the distance between cubes, as well as with the orientation and relative direction, to get them to do interesting things. In fact, when they're not aligned properly, the system state is not necessarily stable, and you will find that the cubes might change color randomly. This might be nice to look at. And when you want to turn them off, again, a simple double tap on every cube will put it to sleep.